Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the top 5 best radar detectors for 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best radar detectors for 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Uniden R8W New Model Extreme Long-Range Laser/Radar Detector. Experience ultimate driving awareness with the Uniden R8W, the new model in Uniden's elite radar detector lineup. Engineered for extreme long-range detection, the R8W keeps you alert to every radar and laser signal on the road, ensuring maximum protection from speeding tickets. Its 360 degrees directional detection system and directional arrows accurately pinpoint threats from every angle, front, side, or rear, so you always know where the signal is coming from. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, the R8W allows for easy firmware updates and real-time alerts through the Uniden app, giving you up-to-date information on red light and speed cameras. The integrated GPS automatically learns your common routes, filtering out false alerts and improving accuracy with every drive. With real-time voice alerts, you'll get instant, hands-free notifications so you can stay focused on the road. The R8W's sleek design, intuitive display, and customizable settings make it the perfect companion for serious drivers who demand performance and reliability. Whether you're navigating highways or city streets, the Uniden R8W delivers unmatched awareness, precision, and confidence, helping you drive smarter and safer every time you hit the road. Number 2. The Uniden R3DSP Extremely Long-Range Radar/Laser Detector with RDA-HDWKT Smart Hardwire Kit is engineered for drivers who demand precision, performance, and peace of mind on every journey. Featuring advanced digital signal processing DSP technology, the Uniden R3DSP delivers exceptional detection range and accuracy, filtering out false alerts caused by automatic door openers and collision avoidance systems. Its built-in GPS allows for red light and speed camera alerts, while the voice alert system ensures hands-free awareness of radar signals ahead. The bright and crisp OLED display provides clear visibility of alerts, speed, and direction information, even in bright sunlight or at night. With extreme long-range detection, the R3DSP gives drivers more time to react to radar and laser threats, ensuring enhanced safety and control. Paired with the RDA-HDWKT Smart Hardwire Kit, installation becomes seamless and clutter-free, enabling automatic on/off operation with your vehicle's ignition. This setup keeps your dashboard neat while ensuring constant power and reliable performance. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventure road tripper, the Uniden R3DSP Radar/Laser Detector with Smart Hardwire Kit provides the ultimate combination of advanced technology, reliability, and convenience, keeping you alert, aware, and confidently ahead. Number 3. Escort Redline 360C Plug and Play Radar Detector. Experience unmatched performance and total driving confidence with the Escort Redline 360C, the ultimate plug-and-play radar detector designed for serious drivers. Engineered with extreme range detection and ultra-fast response times, it delivers advanced protection against all radar and laser threats, giving you more time to react and stay in control. The Redline 360C offers 360-degree radar and laser awareness, ensuring complete coverage from every direction. Its advanced filtering technology intelligently eliminates false alerts from modern vehicle safety systems, so you only get accurate and actionable warnings. Built with stealth technology, the Redline 360C operates undetectably by radar detectors (RDDs), keeping your setup discreet and secure. Featuring built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, This high-performance device updates automatically with the latest threat data and firmware. The intuitive OLED display provides clear visual alerts, while real-time updates from the Escort Live app connect you to a network of drivers sharing live radar and laser information. With easy plug-and-play installation, sleek design, and top-tier engineering, the Escort Redline 360C redefines what a radar detector can do, delivering maximum range, precision alerts, and complete situational awareness for every drive. Number 4. The Escort MKII MKII laser radar detector delivers cutting-edge protection and precision for today's drivers. Featuring dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, it seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's smart systems, including Apple CarPlay registered and Android Auto trademark, for an intuitive, hands-free experience. Its 360 degrees directional arrows provide real-time alerts to the exact location of radar and laser threats, ensuring you always know where the signal is coming from. Equipped with advanced radar detection technology, the MX360C MKII offers exceptional range and sensitivity, detecting even the most discreet police radar signals with remarkable accuracy. Through Escort's driver network, you also gain access to shared community alerts, keeping you informed of speed traps, red light cameras, and other potential hazards on your route. The sleek, aerodynamic design complements any modern dashboard, while the easy-to-read multicolor OLED display provides clear and customizable alerts. With auto-learn trademark intelligence, the device automatically filters out false signals for a smoother, distraction-free drive. Whether you're navigating city streets or open highways, the Escort MX360C MKII delivers unmatched performance, awareness, and peace of mind, making it the ultimate radar detector for discerning drivers who demand the best in safety and connectivity. Number 5. The Radenso DS1 Extreme Range Radar Detector is engineered for drivers who demand top-tier performance and reliability. With its magnet mount design, installation and removal are quick and effortless, allowing for maximum convenience on the go. The DS1 offers extreme range detection, giving you advanced warning of radar and laser signals far ahead, helping you stay aware and in control at all times. Featuring a vibrant color OLED display, the DS1 provides crystal clear alerts and customizable visual options that are easy to read even in bright sunlight. Thanks to built-in Bluetooth connectivity, you can pair the DS1 with the Radenso app for firmware updates, crowdsourced alerts, and advanced settings right from your smartphone. One of the DS1's standout features is its auto GPS lockouts, which intelligently learns and mutes false alerts from common sources like automatic doors or speed sensors, ensuring quieter and more accurate performance. You'll enjoy a peaceful drive with fewer false alerts and superior situational awareness. Backed by USA-based technical support, the Radenso DS1 delivers both innovation and peace of mind. It's the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, user-friendly design, and trusted customer service, ideal for serious drivers who expect nothing less than the best.